Guys, this is Vysh. So this is the episode number 28 of the Plum series, which we started in December first week. So this weekly and daily different subjects are taken by different teachers. So today Sunday, January 1, beginning of a new year. So hopefully you are at least serious from today for your studies, because people who are serious since many months are definitely going to score high in the upcoming exam. So please see to that you are at least starting now, okay, because the new year is the best day to start. So episode 28, that means current affair July 2nd episode, that means it's the fourth episode, okay, because June we did it in two parts and then July we are doing it the second part now. So fourth episode of current affairs, okay. So again, the free lectures are available. Please go and watch it and WhatsApp me to get the foundation video, because that is what you have to start with, okay. Because without that, please don't study anything, and hit subscribe so that some of the hidden videos also can be seen, because some are open only to subscribers, okay. So MCQ number 1, which of the following are true about National Games event in India? The 2022 National Games were held in and around Assam. It is held annually since 1997, except for 2 years during the COVID pandemic. This year, Yogasana and Mallakhamba has been added to the list of games. So this is a three-statement type question where you can apply elimination also. So this thing, okay, about sports, we have to be more cautious, because questions have started coming, okay, about sports, about cricket, about tennis, about different, like even car racing, okay, every kind of sport which is not even like, even if India is not participating inside that, UPSC is asking, okay. And this year, because of the different things, okay, the FIFA World Cup and the national games, and India is winning gold medals here and there in most of the things, okay, whether it's hockey or archery or many things, India is winning a lot of medals, okay, compared to the previous decade. So that is why you have to know all the things which are there in the news, okay, in current affairs. So here try to eliminate if you can, else the answer will be 1, 2, 3. So you have to think, okay, the location, the frequency in which the event happens, and the new sporting events which are added. So here the answer will be D3 only, okay, because the location is wrong, then it is not being held like this continuously. There is a gap of many years between this event and the last event. So that details I'll show you, okay. So 36th National Game 2022 was held in Gujarat, okay. So that is the first statement mistake, and then the date is there, and it is like in 6 cities of Gujarat, and everybody participated, 28 states and 8 union territories. You should know that there are only 8 union territories, okay. Many people still think it is like 7 or 9 because Ladakh thing happened. You should know when Ladakh splitting is happening, another 2-3 union territories are merging as well, okay. Such basic things you should be knowing, okay, because that is like expected out of a UPSC aspirant. Then here the tagline is sports for unity, and this year these two sports were added. And here if you see that one of the biggest stadiums are there, so that kind of factual things are given here. And if you see last one, 35th edition was in 2015, meaning around 7 years back in Kerala, okay. So that is why this annually happening, only COVID time gap, that second statement is a made up statement. So statement 1 and 2 is wrong, and statement 3 is correct, okay. So in Hindu Business Line, this article was there. Now next one, MCQ 2. 2022 field medals seen in news relates to, okay. So it's there's a particular kind of award called field medal. So it's given for architecture, mathematics, economics, or culinary arts. So again, as I told, awards, rewards, all these things, because this year, especially 2022, the Nobel Prize and all these things were very much in news. So you have to know different type of awards, okay, in which field it is given, or at least, because here they are not asking you like who got the award or any detailed thing. They're just asking this award is given for which field, okay. So at least that much is expected out of you. And whatever is important, as I told, a serious test series, okay, when any good institutes test series, they will definitely cover for you. So you don't have to worry that, okay, I missed reading newspaper or something like that, because the test series will be sufficient, okay. So here the answer will be field medals, mathematics, okay. So here again, International Mathematical Union announced the winners of, so this body, about this body also you have to know, it is the highest honor given in the field of mathematics, and aged below 40, okay, that's a criteria, only such mathematicians will get it. And award ceremony was in Helsinki. Helsinki is the capital of which country? Try to tell it in the live chat going on. Okay, so there are others also know. If you don't know, later think and put in the comment section. International Congress of Mathematicians is held every 4 years. And during this time, the field medals are announced. Okay, so here in it was scheduled to start here in Russia. Then because of the Russian war and all, it was later shifted to Helsinki. So, okay, Helsinki, you try to find out. So IMU announced 4 winners. Okay, so here if you see Ukrainian people and all have got the prize. Okay, and here details are given, which is not very important for you. UPSC have till now not asked the like complicated names of these kind of award winners and all. So, but still we mention it. But I am telling it won't come. If it comes also, it will be difficult for everyone. Okay, so it's there in the print newspaper. Okay. Now question number 3. Indian Navy recently received MH-60 Romeo helicopters from? Okay, which country did we receive this? France, Russia, Israel, USA. Okay, these kind of questions, more than in UPSC, it will come in your PSC exam, state exams and all. Or in UPSC, if they ask, they'll ask many other things. Okay, meaning they'll put a match the following kind of thing, like the country against this one, then another country, then they will put some other missile, then another country, they'll put another helicopter. So like they'll give a detailed one. In other exam, they will ask one to one like this, just one thing. Okay. So here you have to know, because India is doing a lot of defense import and export as well nowadays, because the BrahMos is in demand by different countries, and our Tejas fighter jets are in demand by different countries, especially, okay, because we buy from USA, Israel, Russia, that is fine, and we are actually exporting our things also to these small countries like Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and even South Korea. They are all buying from us also. Okay, so that is why we have to know both the things. So here the answer, this helicopter is from USA. Okay, so this one, 2 out of the 24 which we ordered were delivered at Cochin. Okay, and here again more details are there, what it is fitted with, missiles and all these things. Everything 24 will be delivered by 2025. So till then, for UPSC students, it is important. Okay, because till 2025 in batches this helicopter is going to come. So obviously whenever UPSC feel like asking, they'll ask. Okay, and this much 15,000 crore contract is there, and it is operating from indigenous aircraft carrier. Okay, aircraft carrier is also one question which in mains will come mostly next year. So you have to know, okay, different aircraft carriers which we have. And China has the world's largest navy. This is a factual information, and we are trying to compete with China. Okay, so obviously we'll be importing a lot more things. So this is again from a Hindu article. Now question number 4, artificial intelligence based tool called Pivot has been developed by IIT Madras. This relates to what? Meaning this AI tool, okay, AI is very much in the news. You should know our science and technology videos are there free of cost. You can go and watch it. So here, Pivot, okay, this thing is developed. For what is it developed? Or what is it related to? Designing self-driving vehicles, financial search engines, predicting cancer-causing genes, chatbots and marketing. Okay. So, you know, different tools will be developed. This is the future, obviously. Everyone are developing something. Every country is developing. So, Indians are also doing a lot of things. So, where was this tool? Okay, this tool in news related to? So, here answer is predicting cancer-causing genes. So, this again detailing it, like it's based on a machine learning model. This you can pause and read, okay, because every possible detail which I felt, I have kept it here. Okay. So it helps in formulating personalized cancer treatment strategy. Okay, like firstly, secondly, then in traditional method, what happens, everything. Okay, as per WHO, most of the death occurs due to cancer worldwide. In 2020, cancer accounted for around 1 in 6 death. Okay, so it's a very big killer, this cancer thing. So obviously, you have to develop lot of tools to detect or predict these kind of genes which will cause cancer in humans. Okay, so that is why here all these things. Okay, here different gene names are also given. Maybe UPSC will pick this up, this and ask. So every possible detail which can be asked, I have put it here. Okay, so please read it. It's again in a News on Air article. Question number 5, which of the following are true? India Bioeconomy Report 2022 was recently released by Niti Aayog. Second one, number of biotech startups in India has hiked more than 100 times in the last 10 years. Okay, so it's a factual thing you can see, both 1 and 2, 1 only, 2 only, neither 1 nor 2. So first is the report. Okay, this obviously is expected you to study because every report has to be studied. Who is the author of it, and then whether the biotech startup has had this much big hike. Okay, the number of biotech startups. So here, if you are a very serious aspirant, it's a easy question. Answer is C, 2 only. Okay, first thing, it is not by Niti Aayog, but the number of biotech startup has actually gone 100 times. Okay, from I think 50 to 5,000 or something it has become, because you know startup boom is happening in India and everyone is predicting like the next 10 to 50 years is like going to be ruled by India. Okay, so here it's not Niti Aayog, it is the BIRAC body. Okay, Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, about which also you will study in our other test series. And here all these detailing of what is there. Okay, what is the things which is being mentioned about bioeconomy, like how much it will grow, what is the economy growth, all these things are mentioned here, from where funding is coming. So see, we are from 50 to more than 5,300. So 100 times the number of startup has increased in the last 10 years. Okay, in not only bioeconomy, in every field our startups are increasing. Okay, it's a different thing that everything is not becoming success. Most of them are failing also, whether it is in education sector, travel, tourism, everywhere there are startups, but you will see like the number of startups are going high. Okay, so it's a business standard article again. So please see to that you are aware of all these things. Okay, so again, please don't follow just the Plum series. Go and join one good test series at least. It can be Vysh IAS, it can be some other test series, but one good test series, daily newspaper, then daily happenings, solving 10,000 plus MCQ, which includes previous year questions also. This is all you need, and you will definitely clear prelims. Okay, because once you clear prelims, then you will have a 2 to 3 months gap where you can again 1 month sit for optionals, 2 months study the other GS writing, and you will be through mains also. But please see to that prelims you are going to master it. You don't need to score huge marks. You just need 50 to 60 questions correct out of 100, and that you will get it if you do all these basic things which I tell. Okay. So see to it that you are enrolled to a very good test series, and these are the separate packs of current affairs, so that because anyway I'm showing you how much quality is there in our question. So if you need that current affairs separately, even the bestseller pack is open now. You can buy this, okay, because this is what 2023 students I will recommend to buy. Okay, I don't recommend you to buy the older ones and all. That is still, there are sometimes some questions will come out of that, but this last 2 years, okay, this is where all the questions are going to come from. So please see to it that you are enrolled to this. So again, watch everyone's episode. Daily 5 MCQs coming. Next episode will be tomorrow. So thank you and have a nice day.